This is LEGO Star Wars, the Dark Falcon. This set's got awesome minifigures. Jedi Vader, Darth Rey, Darth Dev, Darth Jar Jar, Beach Luke, and Bounty Hunter Protocol droid 3PO. This set's got awesome angles. It's the Millennium Falcon reimagined in the Star Wars Rebuild the Galaxy universe, where everything's been turned upside down, inside out, right side up, the colors inverted, the scheme looks amazing. Absolutely love the design of this set. It comes with awesome features set for display and play, and we'll show you all of this in our full review of LEGO Star Wars Rebuild the Galaxy, the Dark Falcon.